To create shape layers inside Adobe After Effects, we first need to have a composition open. So let's create a 1080p composition based off a preset we made in an earlier tutorial. Let's go to OK. Now that we've created our composition, if we go up to the Tools panel at the top, we have a few different options. The square right here, if you click and hold, will give you a few different presets of shapes. So for this one, we can go to the rectangle tool. Now inside our composition panel, we can click and hold and draw whatever size of a shape we'd like using the rectangle preset. So that is created. You'll notice down here that it's called Shape Layer 1 and it fills the entire composition. Now we can go back to our regular selection tool. We can go down into our shape layer. We can open it up and you'll see there are a whole bunch of different options. So typically the easiest way to start working with these and understand them is by clicking on Add and choosing a different option down here. For example, we can twist and you'll see what it does just by default. We can open up the window down here and increase how much it twists by, as well as where it twists. And we can get some really cool results very fast just by changing a few properties. Okay, let's Command Z and undo those. Another option is, for example, pucker and bloat. So if we go into here, we can actually set it to a whole bunch of different numbers here and get as well some really cool results. So just like most things in After Effects, you can animate these as well. So let's go to Command Z, undo that. At the start of our composition here, we will click on the stopwatch to create a keyframe, and then we will bring our timeline cursor to the very end, and we will click and drag on the 10 parameter and turn it into that shape. So over time, as we scroll back to the start of our composition, you can see that it starts out with a rounded rectangle and turns into this cool shape.